Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, Leshita, good evening, ma.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Meghna. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Is
Yes,
there
good
any
evening.
maths test tomorrow?
Yes, ma. Yes, Kritika.
Is there any maths test tomorrow, ma'am?
Tomorrow is a Sunday test. That's mandatory, beta. Every week you have.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which lessons do we have?
Every week, no need to ask me. Every week, whatever the weekdays syllabus was completed, that is the same concept you are going to test it.
Okay, this time we're going to get multiplication and division, ma'am, or only division?
Maybe multiplication and division. Somewhere there's 1 or 2 questions of addition and subtraction also, beta. Because all 4 operations are decimals.
Okay, ma'am.
We are going with a decimal number by a decimal number today. Only one thing, if that part was done, means almost our thing concept was complete. Right.
Ma'am, can we have a preparation?
Today I'll give quiz, children, because I won't teach much more because almost chapter was done. Chapter was done. Only decimal number by a decimal number, how it is. Once it is explained, means you are going to be with quizzes to do. We will practice all chapters, all operations together. Division by tens, hundreds, division by a whole decimal number by a whole number was done. Decimal number by decimal number should be. And its application.
What's left, ma'am, in the syllabus?
Decimal number by a decimal number, ma'am. I'll just share the screen 1 minute. So you can do those sums. Then we have today all quizzes only, children. There are 9 bits and this is 10 bits. Once 5 and 6 was completed, we can go with this. Right.
Okay,
did everyone do it? Anubhav. Okay, beta. Anubhav is there. Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And Varshit ji, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm here, ma'am.
Good. And Sai, Kritika, Meghana joined, Leshita joined first. Good. Right, children. Who is not yet joined? Today's class? Leshita is there. Kritika, Meghna, Anubhav, Varshit.
Ma'am, Kritvik not joined.
Kritvik. Okay. What happened to Kritvik? 1 minute later, I'll give the, because he is again. Right. Everything all right. Anubhav, it's completely cured for you. All right. No issues, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are all right now? Your wound was completely reduced?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, beta. Today we are going to complete our chapter 2. Once the chapter 2 was done, application test part is not given because of application you are doing the same thing. But you need to identify whether it is addition, subtraction, or multiplication and division. That part is left for you, children. We will do such a practices also so that you can more confident with that concept. Now coming to the question number 5. By looking only you can answer 7.7 divided by 3.5. If you see denominator part 3.5. You know 3.5 plus 3.5 how much?
3.
That means 3.5 means 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.5.
7.0. 7.0.
Can we cancel with the 3.5 one time and the 7 two times? Yes or no? I don't know. My students are catching my point or not. 1 minute. So question number 5, first bit, children. 7 divided by 3.5. Denominator is a decimal number. There are two ways to do this. There are two ways. We can directly, we know that the 3.5 plus 3.5 together it is a 7.0. This can be written as a 7 because that doesn't have any value. We can write as a 7. So you can directly cancel ones or twos. But of course, you don't know, ma'am. I don't know 3.5 plus 3.57, but you are experienced, you can identify directly. That's why you are doing. You may have such a doubt. But second way is make as a whole number. Denominator, make as a whole number. Denominator, make as a whole number.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Answer. Okay, very good, Kritika. So to make as a whole number, what number I should multiply? Point after how many places I have? 1 place. So I should multiply both sides with a 10. Whatever the changes I did for denominator, same changes, same operation I do for numerator. 7 into 10 is 70. 3.5 multiplied with the decimal jumps towards right side. 35. 35 ones are 35 twos are. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Correct. Same thing. Hope you understood, Varshit. Leshita.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Leshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Meghna.
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
Good. Multiple ways, children, but you are going to do more faster because in this we have small time for you to do sums here. But in the competitive exams, you doesn't have much time. You should be little aware. You should be little fast in thinking. Other day, Abhinav said, "Ma'am, I'm using some technique like a decimal should be matched with the answers. That's why I did more faster than others." That's really good work. That way of logical thinking is more important. Not blindly going and doing long procedures, long procedures, doing step by step. That will help in your subjective examinations. But competitive examination should be smart work is more important. So 36 divided by 0.2. Right, Meghna. Good, ma. You can on your cam, that's mandatory. 36 divided by 0.2. Here to same thing, Nana. Which number we should multiply on both sides? Quick. We should multiply both sides. How many decimal places there in denominator?
1.
Denominator.
One decimal place, one number.
So I should multiply with 10 on both sides to make as a whole denominator. 36, 360. 10 times. Decimal jumps towards right side 1 point. So it's nothing but 2. Half of 360 is nothing but 18. So 180 is the answer.
Got it, ma'am.
Right. Very good. Leshita?
Ma'am, if you show the questions, we'll try to answer as soon as possible.
Okay, fine. Can you try it, children? Other questions? But in this third case, I'll help you, ma. Once third case will be, then you can do your own. 1 minute, Kritika. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Third one is 3.25 divided by 0.5. This is our all the time target is denominator should make as a whole number. Denominator, how many decimal places are there? Only 1 decimal. So you should multiply both sides with 10. Don't consider for numerator, only check denominator. Now this jumps towards 1 place right side. That's nothing but a 32.5. Denominator is 5. You know Any number divide with you just whole number means you forget about number. You can do normal decimal point. Forget decimal point. Do with the division. 6 are 30 and 2 is left over. Bring down 5. 5s are 25. So 0. So quotient is 65. But where I should get decimal point is more important. Here, how many places are there? One place. That should be matched with the 6.5. Any doubt?
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, but I did it in another way.
Anyway, answer is same thing you got, right?
Yes, ma'am, but like I just, yes, ma'am, I got the same answer, but I did it in a different way. That's it.
Good. Now go to the next
Ma'am,
question.
What I did is like I directly removed the point in 3.25 and then multiplied it, then put a point so that it will be easy.
Make denominator as a whole number. That's only the thing you need to remember. Fourth question you can do, children. Do it and text me answer through chat box. 30.94 divided by 0.7. Which number we should multiply, Meghana?
10, ma'am. 10,
Very
ma'am.
good, beta. Very good. Come on. Who are going to give answer the first? You can try, children. You can try the rest of the bits. You can try 4 and 5. Sixth bit I will teach you. 4, 5, 7 you try. 6, 8. Which one you can try I will give just now. Fourth one you should try. 1 minute I'll highlight the things. Fourth one you can. Then fifth one you can. Then yes, this one you can. Seventh one. Then ninth one you can. Come on, children, please. In class only you can do the answers and let me know the answers through chat.
Ma'am, I got it, but I don't think so. Wait, ma'am, I got the answer.
Fourth one, very good, Anubhav. Very good, absolutely correct. You are correct, Anubhav.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes, Kritika, you are also correct. Fourth bit, but Anubhav, your fifth bit also correct, Anubhav. Very good. Anubhav used, I think, a clue to solve the fifth bit. He gave very fast.
Okay.
Fourth, fifth, seventh, ninth. Fourth, fifth, seventh, ninth. You should do rest of the bits. I'll try. I got one more answer from the student. Varshit, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Very good. Very good. Sorry, Sai Kritika, fifth one wrong for you. Please check where you are doing. Ninth one. Yes, absolutely, maybe correct, Anubhav. All the bits given first by Anubhav. All the correct answers given by Anubhav. Good.
Ma'am, I think like I'm getting confused. Like when we, ma'am, can you explain me the fifth one? Just because
That's
like
why
when we
you have to
multiply.
listen here. Don't do. When I'm teaching, you can try. Don't try. It's a decimal division, probably still. Yeah, Varshit is given first
Ma'am,
one
my
correct.
doubt is,
1
ma'am, my
minute, 1
doubt
minute. Meghna, which bit is 20, ma?
Fifth one, ma'am.
Meghna, you fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, beta. Please check once again. You tried, but somewhere decimal point you forget. But your division is correct. Please check, Meghna.
ma'am, my doubt is that like when we there are two digits in the decimal place, so that we'll multiply it with 100. So that the
Yes, yes,
like
absolutely correct. Yeah, correct. 100 only.
ma'am, then
Yes,
the
let me
numerator also will be like numerator also will be
multiply with
like
100.
multiply
Whatever
with the
need,
same
whatever.
number.
Yes, whatever you are doing for denominator, same thing you should do for numerator.
Ma'am, then
0.5.
I'm just
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
confused.
See,
Where should I put
yeah,
a point?
0.5 divided by 0.25. Two decimal places you are multiplying with. Same thing should be
25.
done with your numerator. So it is, you should jump two places towards right side. That means nothing is there, means you can keep as 50. Divided by here
That's
decimal
what I
should.
made a mistake. Due to it's in like we're putting a point. I just got confused and put it as 5, so that I'm getting.
No, you are not listening. You are doing your own. You are same thing. Other students are did, right? You are in a hurry. You are not listening and you are going fast. I think you understood right now, Kritika. Meghna, your mistake. Did you notice your mistake?
Ma'am, once can you explain again?
Okay, Meghna, our question is 0.5 divided by 0.25. Till here, hope clear? Right. Coming to the first denominator, how many decimal places you have? 2. That means you should multiply with 100 on both sides. Numerator and denominator, you should multiply on both sides with 100. Why? Because there are 2 decimal places. Denominator is your target, not numerator. So denominator, 2 decimal places are there. You should multiply with 100 on both sides. Both sides means on numerator as well as denominator. If any decimal number multiplied with 100 means decimal shift towards 2 places right side. But you have only one place. You can fill with other place with 0. So what is the answer? 50. Same way, denominator is 0.25 into 100. Decimal shift 2 places towards right side. The answer is 25. Numerator is 50. Denominator is 25. So how 25 ones are 25 twos are. So 2 by 1, which is 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Yes, Kritika, correct. Right now it's correct. And who Varshit, Leshita, who gave that answer?
Still, what problems we have to do, ma'am?
4, 5, 7, ma. Next 7. 4, 5, 7. You should do 7, 9. Come on, give the answers for 7 and 9. Leshita, correct, ma. Your answer is correct. 5th bit also correct. Go to 7th bit. 76.5 divided by 0.5. Very good, Varshit. Correct. Varshit, here go with the 9th bit. 76.5 divided by 0.15. Very good. Both answers are correct. Varshit. Good. The second, all correct given by Varshit. First, Abhinav. Second, Varshit. Leshita is 2 bits done. Third bit, Kritika, Leshita, Meghana. Come on, children. Come on, come on. Yes, Meghana, you are correct. You are correct. Very good. Go with 9th bit, Meghana. Yes, both are correct, Meghana. Both are correct. Wonderful. Very speed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. That's the only simple concept. Somewhere where decimal point missing, also the sum is answer now. That's why division, decimal division should be practiced a lot, children. Very good. The 3 students are given correct answers. I'm waiting for others. Leshita, your bit is correct. Third bit, good. Go with last bit, Leshita. 9th bit. Kritika, give for the, okay. Very good, Kritika. Very good. Yours too correct. Last one. I'm waiting for last one. Good. Last bit, if you are giving, we can go. Leshita and Kritika should be given. Others, everyone completed, I think. Anubhav given, Meghna given, Varshit given, right? Right, Leshita, all correct for you. Very good. Slow and steady wins the race, shows Leshita. Good. Right, Kritika. Good. Everyone all correct. Now coming to the question number 6. You see question number 6. 7.75 divided by 0.25, children. Come on, this also please try. Please try. You try, children. You try and give 7th bit. Later I'll give one simple technique. Everyone, please we do fast with the same technique. Check denominator number. How many decimal places? That many zeros you should multiply. Decimal jumping technique towards the right side of, we know that Mr. Multiplication right side, division left side.
Now, have you got my answer?
Yeah, wait 1 minute. I will check. I got it. Right.
Ma'am, have you got my answer?
Yes, Sai Kritika, correct. Leshita and Meghna. Very good, very good, very good. Right, children. You did lots of work. No need. Varshit, where are you? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sending ma'am 6th bit.
You are not at send, dear. Are you playing?
No, ma'am.
Hey, tell truth. I am seeing continuously. I am in your room only.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay, fine. You look here, children. See, in denominator, you have 2 decimal places. In numerator, you have 2 decimal places. Balanced number of decimal places, if you have, directly you have to remove your decimal point, write the number, do normal division. Did you understood my point? If you have equal number of decimal places on numerator and denominator, neglect your decimal point and do the division normally. 25 ones are 25, 31s are. So 31 is the answer. Good. Right. That's one way.
Ma'am,
Hope you
I have
understood.
put a test technique. Test.
Last bit we will complete, then we are going with a small test. Then you see the 8th bit, you try the same way, children. Check the decimal places on numerator and denominator first. Is it same number of decimal places? Yes or no? 37.8 divided by 1.4. Same decimal places on numerator and denominator. Here we have one place. There you have one place. Remove the decimal point and do the normal division, like 378 divided by 14.
Got the answer.
Very good. Leshita is given first answer, then Anubhav second, third Sai Kritika. Magna may be disconnected. She is joining right now. Okay, fine. Very good. That's all, children. That's all the day. 5th bit and the last one more application sum. We'll finish up today. The last question. Very good. A vehicle covers a distance 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? See, children, they gave 2 points. Many they gave. You have to find one. You know, for many multiple things, you need to find out one thing means you should divide all the time. You are finding one means you always divide. 43.2 divided by 2.4. 43.2 divided by 3 point. 2.4 beta, 2.4. So same decimal places. If you see here one decimal, here one decimal. So neglect decimal number. Do directly with the number and do the division. 240. Is it? What is the value of 432 by 24, children? Yes, I got answer from my children. Absolutely, I think 18 times. Right. Anubhav, Leshita, correct. Leshita given first, Anubhav second. Good, Leshita, good. Magna third. Varshit third, fourth, Magna fifth, Sai Kritika is given, not it. Kritika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, doing it.
Complete it, ma'am. That's a day work. And who will read the points what we discussed in the chapter? Can one by one? First, I will start with who is that volunteer?
Mama,
Is it
can
Kritika or Varshita or Meghna? Meghna, I'll start with Meghna because Meghna is not there, the topic. So we'll start with Meghna. First point, Meghna. Second point, Leshita. Second and third, Leshita. Fourth and fifth, Meghna. Sorry. First, Meghna. Second and third, Leshita. Fourth and fifth, Kritika. Come on, children. Meghna.
We have learned how to multiply fractions. Two fractions are multiplied by multiplying their numerators and denominators separately and writing the product as product of numerators by product of denominators. For example, 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 is equals to 2 into 5 by 3 into 7 is equals to 10 by 21.
Very good, very confident girl. Leshita. Leshita, are you there, ma? Leshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, beta. Come on.
Send my answer.
Right, Sai Kritika. Very good. All are correct, Kritika. Good.
The
second and third, please read the points, beta.
A fraction acts as an operator of example 1 by 2 of 2 is 1 by 2
is equal to 1. The
1 by 2 multiplied. Half means what is the meaning for half?
multiplication.
Very good. Half of 2 is 1. Come on, third point.
The product of two proper fractions is less than each of the fractions that are multiplied.
Good.
The product of a proper and an improper fraction is less than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. The product
Very good.
The product of two improper fractions is greater than the two fractions.
Good. So next, Kritika, fourth and fifth point.
Yes, a reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by inverting it upside down. Fifth point. We have
Reciprocal means we are inverting upside down. Yes, if you are not doing your homework, nowadays your teachers are not given, teachers are not touched. But earlier days, they are given upside down punishment for the student. Olden, ancient days. You ask your father or mother, how was the punishments given by the teacher if not doing the correct answer? They're given upside down. They're making half an hour like that. That's a punishment for the child. That's nothing but reciprocal. Yes, come on, fifth bit.
Fifth point. We have seen how to divide two fractions. A point, A1. While dividing a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of that fraction. For example, 2 divided by 3 by 5 is equals to, 2 into 5 by 3, which is equals to 10 by 3. B. While dividing a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. For example, 2 by 3 divided by 7 is equals to 2 by 3 into 1 by 7, which is equals to 2
Why
by
1 by
21.
7 we are taking, ma? Why 1 by 7 we are taking?
Just because there is no number under 7 and we always take it as 1.
Very good.
There is
The
no
reciprocal
number.
of 7 is 1 by 7.
Is 1 by 7.
Excellent, excellent, wonderful, good. CB, point.
C. While dividing one fraction by another fraction, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of others. So, 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 7 is equals to 2 by 3 into 7 by 5, which is equals to 14 by 15.
Excellent, good. Anubhav, Meghna done, Leshita done, Kritika done. Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, sixth one.
Okay, ma'am. We also learned how to multiply two decimal numbers. While multiplying two decimal numbers, first multiply them as whole numbers. Count the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the both of the decimal numbers. At the number of digits counted, put the decimal point in the product by counting the digits from its rightmost place. The count should be the sum obtained earlier. For example, 0.5 into 0.7 equal to 0.35.
3.5, good. Can you please continue with the seventh point also?
Okay, ma'am. Seventh one. To multiply a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, we move the decimal point in the number to the right by as many places as there are zeros over 1. Thus, 0.53 into 10 equal to 5.3. 0.53 into 100 equal to 53. And the next one, 0.53 into 1000 equals to 530.
Very good, Nana. Varshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, eighth bit.
We have seen how to divide decimal numbers. To divide a decimal number by a whole number, we first divide them as whole numbers. Then place the decimal point in the quotient as in the decimal number. For example, 8.4 divided by 4 is equals to 2.1. Note that here we consider only those divisions in which the remainder is 0. To divide a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, shift the digits in the decimal number to the left by as many places as there are 0 over 1 to get the quotient. So 23.9 divided by 10 is equals to 2.39, or
Very good.
23.9 divided by 100 is equals to 0.239. 23.9 divided by 1000 is equals to 0.0239. While dividing two decimal numbers, first shift the decimal points to the right by equal number of places in both. To convert the divisor to a whole number, then divide thus 2.4 divided by 0.2 is equals to 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12.
Excellent. That's all, children. These are the basic 8 points we did. Very good. Children, hope you understood the points. Every complete chapter we revised. Now
Yes.
more 20 minutes we have. We will do with a few quiz, right? Tomorrow, all the chapter, like a decimal, all 4 operations will be tested in the examination. Okay, children, is it okay for you, or else only division part shall I give?
Ma'am, maybe like.
Can
Okay,
we
ma'am,
go with
all
only division? Can we go with only division?
Yes, ma'am.
Because that is the thing most of the kids are doing in senior classes also. Mistake. We'll go with multiplication if 1 or 2 multiplication questions, and most of the questions are from division or decimals.
Okay.
That's all, children, for the day, the teaching concept. And let me give some time to give quiz. What is the next 3rd chapter, children? Anubhav, what is the 3rd chapter to us?
Data handling is there, ma'am.
Okay. Why Sir Kritvik is not joined today? Important concepts.
Ma'am, how many questions?
How many I can give, children? Please, take your choice. How many you want, I will give that many.
Ma'am, 10.
10, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Right, only 10 questions, children. You can complete it, you can leave. Not an issue. I think you can do more faster. You can even guess that question part also. Like as earlier he said, ma'am, I'm doing this way so I can read more faster than others. You can do.
Yes, ma'am.
Please join quickly, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Meghna, any doubts, Nana? Meghna? Hello, Anubhav, very good. Varshit completed, Meghna completed. Leshit, you can leave better. You can leave. Very good. Where is the mistakes done? Can we review the mistakes? You are waiting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, Ismail. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Leshita, you can try, ma. Don't. Ritika, Leshita, please complete.